This will be part 2 of the notes for 2A, so let's finish it up with some examples down here. One of my biggest suggestions is before you even start looking at what they want over here is to look at the picture and write down as much as you can figure out. So we know that just by looking at it, because here's the center point, FJ is the diameter. That means this way is 180, so I'll go ahead and mark that. And from J to F going the other way is also 180. Okay, and these three angles here form this line, so they will equal 180. So if I take 180 minus the 63 and minus the 65, that will tell me I have 52 left for this angle. Okay, and just like we set up above, every central angle, there's those right there, and its arc, so 63, this arc is going to be 63. 52 is the central, 52 is its arc, 65 is the central, 65 is the arc. Okay, so I've got all the arcs marked. I know all of these angles in here. Now let's go answer some questions. So the first one is arc HJ. So they want me to find the measure, so that means I'm going to have a degree answer. So HJ means I start at H and go directly to J. Remember, 2 letters is going to be a minor direction or minor arc. FGJ. All I can say is use your pen or pencil and trace it around it. So I'm going to start at F, I'm going to go through G, and I'm going to stop at J. I have to go this way so I hit G before I stop at J. You can see here all the way from F all the way over to J is 180 degrees. Okay, this one right here, we got the order of F, J, H. I know because it has 3 letters, it's going to be a major. So I'm going to start at F. I got to go through J before I stop at H. Do that one again. I start at F. I have to go through J before I stop at H. H is my last one here. So that arc, that major, is made up of 2 arcs. One is 180 and the other one is 63. So arc addition, I can add those 2 together to get 240 degrees, 43 degrees for that major arc. And here I have FH. So you can see here to go from F to H, it's 2 letters. So I'm going to go the shortest way. F to H is going to be from here to here. That's going to encompass 65 and 52. When you put those together, you have an arc that is 117 degrees. Okay, why don't you pause the video and see what you can do on these bottom ones here. Okay, so let's see how we did. So again, my suggestion before you even start answering questions is to see how much of this you can fill in. So we can see here again, we've got a diameter of AD. We also have a diameter of EB. Okay, so we have those 2 there. We've got this right angle here, so I got a 90. I've got a 40 here, so I can look to see just these 3 right here have to total 180. So that leaves 50 for this central angle here. This angle and this one are actually vertical, so if that's 40, so is this one over here. Or you can look at these 3 right there, the 50 and the 90, that will give you 40 left for that one. And so this angle right here, let's go to the other side. The 40 degree angle and this missing angle here make a straight line. So that's going to total 180. So this angle would be 140. Again, every central angle is the same as its arc. Okay, so if you want, you can just leave it like this. Or if you would like it out here on the arc, you sure can do that also. So let's find some measurements here. CE goes from C to E directly. It's the shortest I can go. It's okay if I pass one. I just don't want to go a major way. So here I'm going to go 90 plus 40. So that arc is going to be 130 degrees. B to D. B to D, again, 2 letters, so it's going to be the short way, less than 180. That's going to be 50 plus the 90. So that arc is going to be 140 degrees. ACE, so you can see this one is a 3 letter, so I can't just go A to E. I've got to go through C to get there. So I can see if I just go around the curve here, I've got 40 plus 50 plus 90 plus 40. Okay, when you put all those together, 220 degrees. Okay, some people will think, well, from A all the way over to E is all of it except 140. So all of it is 360 minus the 140 gives me 220, which is what I got here. Okay, so basically there's one way where you can add all the little ones together, or I can say, hey, all of these together is everything except the 140, so if I take away the 140, that tells me what I have left. If you have any questions, please let me know.